Are you looking for the best way to keep your car engine running smoothly and improve overall performance? In this video, we will explore the top 5 best catalytic converter cleaners that can help restore efficiency and support a healthier exhaust system. A clean catalytic converter not only enhances fuel economy, but also reduces harmful emissions, making your driving experience better. Stay tuned as we highlight effective options that drivers trust for maintaining cleaner engines and longer-lasting vehicle performance. Links to these products with the latest deals are waiting for you in the description below. Smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to fuel your passion for all things auto. Let's rev it up and get started. In our list, the number 1 product name is MotorPower Catalytic Converter Cleaner Kit. The MotorPower Catalytic Converter Cleaning Kit is designed with advanced technology to provide a reliable solution for maintaining vehicle performance. This cleaning kit offers a practical way to keep the catalyst in good condition without the need for costly replacement. It is created to deliver intensive cleaning that helps remove existing deposits while also offering protection from heavy dirt when used regularly. The package contains 2 products, one formulated for the gasoline tank and another applied directly as foam cleaner through the oxygen sensor port, allowing a thorough cleaning process. This high-quality solution supports the proper function of the catalytic converter, turbocharger, and exhaust gas recirculation valve, helping the engine run more efficiently. The use of this cleaner can also restore overall performance and contribute to longer engine life by preventing harmful buildup. Designed by experts in this field, the kit provides a convenient option for both petrol and diesel vehicles, including modern hybrid models. MotorPower Catalytic Converter Cleaner helps in maintaining fuel efficiency, lowering emissions, and supporting smoother driving. It can even assist with certain trouble codes like P0420 and P0430, provided the catalyst itself is not broken. Before applying, it is always recommended to inspect the converter for cracks to ensure safe use. With a balance of innovation and ease, this cleaning kit stands as an effective way to protect your vehicle components, offering drivers an affordable and efficient alternative to replacement while keeping the exhaust system cleaner and more reliable. In our list, the number 2 product name is Catalytic Catalytic Converter Cleaner. The Catalytic Catalytic Converter Cleaner and Deodorizer is developed as a fuel additive that supports gasoline engines by helping to maintain a clean exhaust system. This cleaner works to reduce buildup inside the catalytic converter, assisting in smoother operation and supporting overall engine health. With its advanced cleaning power, it helps remove unwanted deposits that may cause performance issues, while at the same time working to refresh the system by reducing unpleasant odors often linked with engine exhaust. This solution is created to function not only as a catalytic converter cleaner, but also as a support for oxygen sensors, combustion chambers, and the exhaust gas recirculation valve. By helping to remove carbon and other residue, it can contribute to extending the period between regular tune-ups. Vehicles that require dependable results during emissions testing may also benefit, as this additive can play a role in lowering harmful emissions while improving engine efficiency. Drivers looking for better fuel economy may find that consistent use of Catalytic Converter Cleaner encourages smoother acceleration and helps reduce power loss. Regular cleaning of the system supports long-term durability while promoting a more efficient flow through the converter. Since it is designed for all gasoline-powered vehicles with functional catalytic converters, it offers a simple and effective way to maintain performance without complicated processes. By providing a balance of cleaning strength and engine care, this solution delivers reliable support to keep the vehicle running efficiently on the road. In our list, the number 3 product name is Cataclean Fuel Catalytic Converter Cleaner. Cataclean Fuel and Exhaust System Cleaner is developed to help vehicles maintain stronger performance while supporting cleaner operation. This liquid solution is made to reduce carbon buildup across essential components such as catalytic converters, diesel particulate filters, fuel injectors, oxygen sensors, and cylinder heads. By working through the system, it contributes to smoother combustion, more efficient fuel usage, and better mileage, which can extend the overall life of the engine while promoting consistent reliability on the road. One of the key benefits of Cataclean is its ability to assist with emissions testing by lowering harmful output from the exhaust system. Regular use can cut down on hydrocarbon levels in gasoline engines, offering a safer path to passing strict environmental standards. It can also be a practical choice for addressing issues that trigger check engine lights, including common codes that signal converter or system inefficiencies, which may otherwise lead to costly repairs. This non-toxic cleaner provides a simple way to maintain catalytic converter efficiency and prevent heavy deposits from blocking the exhaust pathway. With easy application through the fuel tank, it removes the need for complicated tools or mechanical adjustments, making it a convenient part of regular maintenance. Suitable for gasoline, diesel, and hybrid engines, Cataclean supports a wide range of vehicles by protecting key parts from residue buildup and restoring overall function. It is a dependable choice for drivers looking to keep their car running smoothly while reducing emissions and preserving vital exhaust components. In our list, the number 4 product name is Dura Lube Severe Catalytic Converter Cleaner. Dura Lube Severe Catalytic and Exhaust Treatment is developed to support vehicle engines by offering protection and maintenance for the catalytic converter and exhaust system. This liquid formula works with all types of engines, making it a universal option for drivers who want to keep their vehicle operating smoothly. By targeting harmful oil deposits and contaminants, it helps maintain catalytic efficiency while contributing to improved fuel economy and consistent performance on the road. This treatment can be added directly to the fuel system, where it circulates through the engine and exhaust components, helping to reduce buildup that often leads to costly issues. Regular use plays a role in lowering phosphorus and zinc retention levels at the catalyst inlet, which helps keep the system cleaner and supports long-term efficiency. It also promotes better fuel combustion, resulting in enhanced mileage and reduced environmental impact by lowering emissions output. Drivers are encouraged to use this treatment before replacing a catalytic converter, as it may extend the life of the component and save on unnecessary expenses. With directions that recommend mixing the proper amount with gasoline, it offers a straightforward way to include it in routine maintenance. Each application lasts for several months or thousands of miles, depending on usage, giving consistent benefits during normal driving. Created to treat rather than bypass or interfere with emission controls, Duralube's severe catalytic and exhaust treatment stands as a dependable solution for maintaining engine health, protecting critical components, and ensuring smoother vehicle operation. In our list, the number 5 product name is Chevron Techron Catalytic Converter Cleaner. Chevron Techron Concentrate Plus Fuel System Cleaner is designed to support gasoline-powered engines by keeping the fuel system in cleaner condition. This concentrated liquid solution works inside the fuel tank to help maintain efficiency and protect important components from harmful deposits. With regular use, it assists in reducing common issues such as rough idle, engine hesitation, or spark plug fouling, allowing the motor to operate more smoothly during daily driving. The formula is developed to improve fuel combustion and enhance stability, which can provide long-term benefits for the vehicle. By helping to keep injectors, intake valves, and combustion chambers cleaner, it contributes to more consistent performance and stronger reliability. Drivers may notice easier cold starts, steadier acceleration, and more dependable response, especially in vehicles that have been used for extended periods without cleaning treatments. Each bottle contains 20 ounces of concentrated cleaner, making it a suitable option for thorough maintenance in one application. When added directly into the fuel tank, it circulates through the system as the engine runs, ensuring deep cleaning with minimal effort. The solution also supports fuel freshness for up to 1 year, which is beneficial for vehicles that are not driven regularly but still require dependable operation. Chevron Techron Concentrate Plus provides an effective way to care for gasoline engines by preventing harmful buildup and supporting smoother function. It stands as a practical choice for those who want to keep their car in better running condition through routine maintenance with trusted quality. Thanks for watching our full videos. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and check link the description below. Goodbye and take care. See you in the new video.